What is up, guys? This week's drone tip of the week is frame guides. If you're shooting your drone footage with a different aspect ratio in mind than the typical 16:9 aspect ratio that DJI drones film in, for example, something like 2.35:1, nice CinemaScope aspect ratio, you can actually enable a frame guide that will show you where that framing will be and change your thirds grid lines to match that composition. So to enable that, we'll just go here into the settings, come over here to camera, scroll down, and right below our grid lines, which I do recommend that you have both your thirds grid lines and your center marker turned on. You'll have frame guides here, and you can select what aspect ratio you want. Here, for example, we have 2.39:1, and that will give you that nice cinematic aspect ratio. It will record still the full height 16:9 video, but this just gives you a guide as to how you should compose your shots so that you aren't cutting anything off that you don't want to be, and where in the frame you should put your horizon and subjects on those thirds lines. And we've also got options here for a whole bunch of other different aspect ratios, 1.18:1, 4:3 if you are for some reason wanting to shoot in that kind of old TV aspect ratio. And then we've got 1:1 square if you want to shoot square video. I'm not sure exactly what platforms still use square video, but then you've also got 3:4 vertical grid lines and 16:9 vertical grid lines for social media content. And there's your drone tip of the week. Subscribe to get next week's drone tip.